What's up, fam? Your girl Avantí tapping in. Today, I just wanted to show y'all this quick workout that I did, calisthenics focused. So right here, I did a prison style circuit. I started out with 20 reps, and then I went all the way down to 1, right? So this first set I did 20, next set 19, okay? And then the next set I did 18, so on and so forth until I get all the way down to 1. And so that equals out to 210 push-ups, right? I'm loving this style. I just implemented this maybe about 2 weeks ago. I'm seeing the differences. Number one, my chest development, arms, and like I said in my previous lives, I am in a cut now, and I'm really just trying to see, what that muscle is looking like, right? So, I'm loving it. I'm loving this journey that I'm on right now. All calisthenics. Going into the spring, I think I may just stick it to outdoor workouts. I'm going to find me a nice calisthenic park out here on my side of town, and I'm going to just get to work. Right here, you see me doing some resistance bands, pull-ups. I'm still recovering my shoulder, man. I remember I could do pull-ups without the resistant bands, but it's tough doing it because my shoulder is still, I'm still rehabbing my shoulder, left shoulder, man. Anyway, I still got to get that work in. I'm not going to let this little knack stop me, right? But yeah, your girl been just grinding, staying focused, implementing more body weight things. I'm going to get back to doing squats. I've been taking a little break, honestly, with squats, man, because squats, I don't know, I just feel like, bruh, I already got the glutes, I got the thighs, I got all that. I'm really just trying to tone it down. I'm really just trying to just lean out, man. So I think I may implement my squats again probably the following week. Look, I'm trying to swing right now. I'm not even gonna lie. Right now, my arms were toasted, bro. Like, pull-up sets, I did 15 reps, going all the way down to 1. So 15, 14, 13, 12, going all the way down. So that totals out to be, I want to say, 120 pull-ups. So yeah, I'm really increasing my reps. Like I said, man, just challenging myself each and every session, right? So yeah, it was over with right there. I wanted to get some just bare without the resistance bands, but it wasn't happening. My arms was like, nah, girl, we need this band. But yeah, I just finished up with a couple of neutral grip pull-ups. But by this time, man, my arms were toasted. I'm ready to go. And that's about it. So this is all I did in this workout. It took me a little bit over an hour to do this. I can't even get the doggone resistance bands off. My arms was that cramped up. But look at your girl, though. Stop playing with me. That cut is definitely cutting. But anyway, if you enjoyed this workout, if you enjoyed this voiceover, let me know. If you have any questions on your journey, if you're seeking to lose weight, gain muscle, just let me know. Write it down in the comments. Let's have the conversation, all right? It's your girl, Avantí, and I'm going to see you on the next one. Love.